Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ground input image and the roughness attribute in the surface weathering node to break up the irregularity of your mesh geometry. In this project I already have a surface weathering node and a blend node that mixes the level output image. As you can see, the simulation produces a very clear pattern that comes directly from the mesh geometry. To reduce this pattern, we are going to introduce some irregularities by creating a noise image. In the info window, you can see that the surface images are 1248 by 1248 pixels. I'll add a random noise node and set its size slightly larger, 1250 by 1250, 1 pixel for each surface element. Set the format to value. Next, I'll add a surface filter node and connect the noise node to it. To preview the surface filter output, I'll add a surface bake node. Set the debug shader to display and increase the number of iterations on the surface filter. Now I'll turn off the debug shader and connect the filtered noise image to the ground input of the surface weathering node. I'll set the number of simulation steps to 100 and increase the roughness attribute so you can clearly see its effect on the output. The ground roughness introduces subtle irregularities across the surface, helping break up any repeating patterns caused by the mesh. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment or join our Discord community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter, Blue Sky and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.